The Ford series takes the sharp edge as an example. The same method applies to other models. Remove the plastic from the inner handle position. The screw specification here is the sleeve 10 # screw dot. Remove the screws. Use a plastic skid plate to slowly remove this plastic part. Pull this plastic piece forward. Unplug the window lifter. Remove 10 # sleeve screw. Remove the to 7 # sleeve screws at the bottom of the door panel. Remove the 4 screws that hold the plastic door panel. Start preparing to disassemble and remove the plastic door panels. The plastic skid plate carefully pries open the door panel along the edge of the door panel. Pry from the bottom. The plastic buckles in the Ford series are tight. Be careful not to break the buckle. After prying open the door panel, there's an inner handle cable inside. There is a switching device at the connection position that is stuck on the cable. Pull the inner handle to remove the cable. Unplug the remaining connectors. The door panel can be removed immediately. These are the plugs for connecting the plastic door panels. After the installation of the electric suction lock is completed, it needs to be connected at the connection position. The inner door handle cable is difficult to remove. There is a switch at the finger position. Press down this plastic switch. The inner handle is pulled and not released. The tight rope will come forward. Press and hold this white plastic and remove the cable diagonally. This will not damage the switch. Carefully tear open the waterproof film of the inner door. After the installation of the electric suction lock is completed, the waterproof film finally needs to be pasted back to its original position. Remove the 2 screws used to fix the internal bracket. Remove the 3 screws used to fix the mechanical lock of the original car. Remove all the above 5 screws. Break this white plastic buckle down. Then push the whole plastic piece to the left. There is also a cable behind the lock. This plug is connected very tightly, and pliers need to be used to assist in unplugging it. Connect the power cord at the large plug position of the decoder. The thick yellow wire is positive. Thick black wire is negative. The actual installation needs to be found by measuring with an electric pen. Remove this little rubber plug. The purpose is to loosen the screws inside. When screwing, you need to pull the outer door handle and not release it, to prevent getting stuck by the switch inside. After loosening the screw, the outer door handle can be taken out. This one next to the outer door handle can also be removed. After the screws are loosened, the lock block is ready to be removed. 10 hashtag sleeve screw. Remove this screw, the guide rail of the glass lifter. Tilt the lock block and take it out to the left. Because this glass guide is longer, it is more difficult to take out. Next, prepare to replace the original mechanical lock block. There are 2 screws for fixing the mechanical lock block and the white plastic bracket. Remove these 2 screws to remove the mechanical lock block. Remove the screws on the back of the mechanical lock. There is a rivet in this position. This rivet needs to be grounded flat with a power tool. Then pull the rivet out from the back. Now the rivets have been processed. Just use pliers to remove the rivets. Remove the mechanical lock cylinder. Attention! This plastic part on the mechanical lock cylinder needs to be installed on the electric suction lock. This is a child lock device. Combined electric suction lock and lock holder. Check whether the combination of lock cylinder and lock holder is correct. Use this set of screws instead of the original rivets. Put this in the hole. Tighten with screws from the front. Then install the two screws removed before going back to their original positions. Assemble the assembled electric suction lock with a white bracket. Use the original two screws to fix the lock holder lock block. Place the lock diagonally inside the door. Then install the removed outer handle cable back. After screwing the lock block, note that the cable behind the lock block and the motor is U-shaped. Paste a sponge on the back of the motor to reduce common shock. Then use shock absorber and sound insulation glue to fix the motor to the door panel. Connect thick gray and red to color lines positive to the decoder. Connect a thick black line negative to the decoder. Left back door. There are also 4 screws to fix the plastic door panel. There is 1 screw in the inner door handle. There is a screw in the middle. 2 screws at the bottom. Remove the waterproof membrane. Remove the 2 screws of the fixing bracket. Remove the 3 screws used to hold the lock block. Left front door. After removing the plastic door panel, Pull out this little buckle. The wires for the outer door handle can now be extended. Then unplug it. Remove the 3 screws used to hold the lock block. There are also 2 screws inside. Remove the screws under the glass trap. The door handle on the left front door has been removed. It is attached to the original car lock block. It's taken apart now, and it's in my hands. First, you need to remove this rubber plug. This hole corresponds to this screw. Now let's take out the whole lock and show it. You need to loosen this screw first. You need to pull the handle up during the process of loosening the screw. Because the lead block inside will be blocked by the plastic. When the screw is loosened, the lead block will be close to a plastic. This is convenient for us to install later. Pull this door handle to pull it out. After loosening this screw, this can also be removed. Take out the method in the door handle reference video. Unplug the doorknob. Then the lock block can be taken out of the door. Right back door. This plastic part also needs to be removed. #10 socket screw tool. Remove this screw. Remove the plastic parts of the inner door armrest. Use a plastic skid plate to slowly pry it open. There are 2 buckles in this position. Pry it up carefully. Then use the pry plate to put it in this position to pry it inside. This plastic part can now be removed. Unplug the glass elevator. Here is the 10 sleeve screw. Here is the 7 sleeve screw. Here's another screw. There are 4 screws in total for the door panel. Use a plastic skid plate to pry open the door panel along the edge of the plastic door panel. Then the door panel can be removed.